One of PlanetTogether's core functions is its Optimize feature. Rules can be established in settings. This allows the scheduler to select different aspects of the production schedule and create a weighting matrix that will optimize the schedule and place orders in positions quickly. Once rules have been established in settings and assigned to work centers, also known as resources, you can optimize your schedule located here. To see available options under Optimize, click the down arrow. Optimize activities starting at includes different places where you can optimize from. You can optimize from the beginning of the schedule all the way to a specific date and time. Jobs to exclude will allow you to flag certain job types where the Optimize will not place them on the schedule and reserve capacity. Optimize rules allows you to select the different Optimize rules that are already established in your settings, as well as edit them here. Release rule to use allows you to select the start that you want to apply to your Optimize. You can also auto join orders if you have that feature turned on. Once you have your settings selected, you click your Optimize. You will see a blue bar quickly appear at the bottom, and your schedule is resorted based on your optimization rules.